Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will show you how to get the current category of each product you have or the current categories that you have in your WordPress WooCommerce. First of all guys, I will need you to go to your dashboard, which is pretty simple. You just have to go to wordpress.com/wp-admin and then from there, just log into your account and this shall be opened. Now go to plugins, click on add new, and from here you can guys actually add WooCommerce plugin to your website and you can have a store in your website for those who doesn't have. You can click on store now, then activate, so it have been activated. Then go to install plugins, go to active and search if it is actually activated just to make sure. If not, and that was the case for you, go to inactive ones, search for it over here, and then activate it. And if there is any like updates, just make sure to update it to the latest version. Now, what you'll have to do is pretty simple, reload the page, and here we are. Now you'll find these actually new menus have been added to your main menu. So how we can get our current category of each product. So first of all, we need to go to our products. So let's click on here. And these are the products that I have, which are iPhone X, this random thing, Pringles 2, and Pringles 1. Now, iPhone X is pretty much easy to detect which category it is. So here I have it on the uncategorized category. The Pringles 2 is on the snacks category and the Pringles is on the food category. So here as you can see you can select a category from here, you can filter by product type and here you can filter in stock or not. So basically that's how you can get the category of your product. So how you can actually put a category for your product, it's pretty simple. All you need to do is, for example, let's get, for example, to edit this one and go down below the image. Here you'll find the categories. Here you can add new category, or from here, products, categories, you can see all the categories that you have in your website and create new ones. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you all guys a lot for watching.